truth them when we talk, you know. See, somebody just tag King, say King mix up over here. Nobody gonna mix up, not the King mix up. Make sure King mix up, you talk it how it go. No put in nothing in it. No add in no sugar, no add in no salt. Anyway.
Boy, oh boy, people, it look like Cardi B, Outsmart Nicki Minaj, you know. You see me, I say, I remember say I chess them I play, no, not checkers. Like these dancehall artists, you see me, I say, and you know, Nicki Minaj done deal with the place I wear when she put everybody on Fine Nine remix. You see me, I say, make everybody forget about Cardi B throwing dancehall party. You see me, I say, so I one up now. But it looked like Cardi B gonna lead because you know a dancehall people, Jamaican people licky to them last meal. You see me, I say, and them don't forget Fine Nine remix already, you see me? And Cardi B is in Jamaica right now, winning over their hearts because them I say, look all this billionaire in Jamaica. I chill with the ghetto people them and I chill out with the hotel people them. And just vibes and you see me, I say, cha. But like I was saying, the people them forget Fine Nine remix, you see me, I say. So you know Nicki was scheduled to come December. You know what I mean? We've been saying that for the longest she's gonna come and see Skang and Ting perform on this thing. You know, Lisa Hype I mean Lisa Mercedes and Queenie, you know what I mean? But you don't know the thing said Spice is out of commission and you know it's only Pampite and Dovey Magnum there in Jamaica, so I don't know if she's gonna be rolling with them, but nevertheless, let's get to the bagger because you know, say they Dolly them. Why, Nicki, you say, oh, they Dolly them, the lawyer, you know. The Dolly them just a push up on the Cardi B rash just to get knowings and all of this stuff, you see me? I know the people them say Cardi B is taking over Nicki because, you know, Nicki put on the dolls them first, you know. Even though Spice did done bust them, but you don't know the thing said. Them say everything Nicki do, Cardi B follow. So you know Cardi B and Offset, they are Jamaica. I dance out like, whoa, you see me? And the people them say Cardi B is looking to sign Rebel. But before we get to that aspect, people, you know, say, I mean, not see nobody on 5-9 remix acknowledging Cardi B in Jamaica, you know. Not Spice, Dovey, nobody, you know what I mean? Not even Spice. I say, yo, send some things to Cardi B. You're in my island, you know, for Offset birthday, you know. Nothing ras class, you see what I'm saying? So anyway, people, the people them is saying that Cardi B is going to spend all her money. She and Offset is going to spend all of her money on Rebel when she comes back. Well, people, that's the confusion. You see me, I said, because nobody don't really know who Cardi B is talking about when she posted that video and said, I love her. We bringing all our money for her when we come back. You see me, I said. And now Rebel is trying to take credit for what Cardi B is saying. Well, people, I'm sorry to disappoint you, you see me, I said, because the Dolly them flop. You know what I mean? Pick up yourself, TC. People, nobody is trying to book Rebel or spend all their stripper money on Rebel doing that 1-1 full dance. You see what I'm saying? Rebel just too enough and jealous of the other two girls them that was in that was on the stage performing because yo them gal they bad. You see what I'm saying? I was impressed. You feel me? So I know it's not Rebel them talking about with her manly dance them. You see what I'm saying? Plus, these photos prove who Cardi B was talking about. This girl, Chiney, the one in the orange, and the girl in the all black. You can see in front of her. You see, clearly these girls were hired to entertain Cardi B. You see me, I said, cause you know what the thing said. You know what I mean? And you can see the love that Cardi B is giving her. You feel me? So, I'm sorry to disappoint you, Dolly. It's not Rebel Cardi B is talking about. It's this girl, Chiney, and the next girl, because they was hired to entertain Cardi B. You feel what I'm saying? Cha. When I just want to push people talent, people ratings upon other people, and it's a shame, you feel me? Well, I'm here to give credit to where it's credit is due. And look at this video. The girl said I dropped my phone after this because Cardi B said, I love you. You see? Yes, so we know where the money is going, you see, my people, but when you can't put in the comment section if you disagree with me. I'm not trying to be a party pooper, I'm just keeping it real, you know what I mean? And them gal your body, you see me, I said Chiney. And the next girl, you feel me? I don't know her name in the put the name in the comment section, you see me? But anyway, people, let's proceed. Okay, people, a 26-year-old mother of two has died during a Brazilian butt lift. You know, the most famous BBL out there. And breast implant surgery after an unlicensed doctor gave her anesthesia and she never woke up. Jayla Williams went under the knife October 20th, 2021 for two cosmetic procedures being performed by the Best You Know Cosmetic Surgery Center in Plantation, Florida. Throughout the procedure, Williams' mother, Latasha Shia Leggett, was reassured by the medical staff that her daughter was fine, but grew concerned when she saw other patients being discharged but not Williams. When she heard a siren, she grew frantic and then learned that her daughter was being taken to Plantation General Hospital. When she demanded to know what was going on, that was when she got the horrifying news that her daughter had died. Yes, the grief stricken mother, who had flown in from California to help her daughter post surgery, was traumatized, Leggett told NBC6 Miami. They politely grabbed me and said, "Your daughter is dead." Because Jayla, who was 26, never woke up after a breast augmentation surgery and a Brazilian butt lift. You know what I mean? Oh boy, people, but the Broward Medical Examiner officer stated that the procedure was completed, but Jayla never awoke from anesthesia because, the people them was unlicensed. You see me, I said the cause of her death is listed as undetermined according to the medical examiner. In a bombshell revelation, it was later revealed that the designated physician for the surgery center claimed they allowed a doctor who wasn't qualified to administer the anesthesia and sedate Williams. And where I find out said that same doctor that did the anesthesia sedation wasn't allowed to be doing those things because of a previous incident. But just giving an update while going from that to go on, and this didn't happen in the Dominican Republic. It happened in America. Yes. Let's proceed. Now, Spice BFF slash selector Richie Feelings is confirming that Spice is done and she mash up. You see me, I say, and we're speaking, dancehall wise speaking, you see me, I say. As you know, Spice is recovering from sepsis or a hernia, yes, a hernia, you see me, I say. So she out of commission right now, you see me. And say Queenie flop, you know what I mean? Right now, dancehall Empress Amari is holding it down, you see me, and that's why Richie Feelings say, she have the crown now, you see me, I say. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Before we hear Richie Feelings, people, let's be honest. Since Spice been out of commission, who was there to fill her spot? Shensi, Ghana, R&B, and all of these things, and yeah, it's only Amari that have the fans, and boy, Amari locked on social media, people. Music-wise, we know that she can deal with the program, you see me, I say. Yeah, cause money laugh at the good pan YouTube, you see me, I say, the streams them up. Sicka Rams both release a next track with Amari say, call me when she had this up the people, them, you see me, I say. So we know she have the lyrics them lock for the sting, you know what I mean? And regardless if Sicka Rams are right for her or not, we know say Amari have hit songs by herself, Nico, Dirty Bongo, Fee 5-4, you know what I mean? So I'm just again an update while going from what I go on, you see me, I say, but Richie Feelings say Amari I go win Sting and Queenie flop and Spice mash up, is it?
I tell you what I'm going with the Queen right now. And don't feel no way. The Queen is Amari. The Queen come to Jamaica last week and come to entertainment report. The Queen 2023, she shall be bumbuckled legendary. Amari is the Queen. Right now, Spice done. Spice done. Amari is the Queen. Never be a butter bean or a tin of sardine. So, one just know say spice done. So, take off all of the blue them wanna have and put them over Amari. Put the blue art them over Amari. Bits of paper, lying on the ground, They left the place untidy, Pick them up, and dash it back on the ground. Amari is the king. Carla, may I watch your months now, you done it me. My good friend Carla done it me, Jesus Christ. What me do Carla in a life? Make you done it me. Reign supreme, how you feeling? Yeah. So, other queen that we are dealing with. Dub for dub. Other queen that we are dealing with right now. Anything else you want to know about the queen? Ask me. I'm going to tell you what I go on. Carla, can't believe this. How you done it me. Hands and heart. Yo, look at me and the woman good. You may live good in life and the woman just done it me. Oh God no. What me do in life, Carla, make you hate me. And you're good to me, so. Jesus Christ. All I know where jump up about Spice is the queen. Spice done. Spice done. I done. Spice done. Done. She not come back. What I talk about? Amari is the thing. Me said that. And Amari, the queen, the legendary. I shall be legendary to Bumper Clout. I shall be legendary. So if you not plan to be legendary, we don't want to hear nothing about a queen. You hear me say, Shakira? If we not plan to be legendary like Amari, Pam, paper, look into this. Say, Pam, they just come on for my life. Pam, she do me shall when she ready. Pam have our wholesale meet and Abadashri. I want a nice friend them. Very, very, very predominant, independent. Yo, she everything. Remember say Pam birthday come one day. And I call Pam and tell her say I want to carry her out for her birthday. Pam no look Pam me. Pam full of too much man. Too much man want to carry her out. She don't want Richie come carry her out. Big star I go carry out Pam, you know. And Pam no look Pam me. Pam no look Pam me. Pam say she book out. I'll know Pam still book out. I'll know Pam still book out after me say, Pam, it's your birthday. It's my birthday. And come for party with Pam and go on with a crocus bag of thing. And Pam full of man. Who want take your man, girl? Couldn't I and donkey Pam? I and donkey Pam. I and donkey Pam. I don't want to see you. Done, me done.
Yeah, he went on to talk about Spice and, Queenie and Amari for the next 20 minutes. So what am I gonna do? I gotta fling that on my Boom Bye Bye TV channel. So I'll just go over there so and watch the rest of the video. You see me, I said don't forget to like, share, subscribe over here and hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, musical reviews and gossips. Bless.